Makita is a leading brand when it comes to power tools, known for its high quality and reliable products that serve both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. So in today's video, we show you some coolest Makita tools you must own. Whether you're cleaning your car or any other small space, the Makita DCL-184 is the perfect tool to have in your cleaning arsenal. This cordless vacuum cleaner is perfect for all your on-the-go cleaning needs, especially when it comes to car cleaning. With its variable speed control, you have the power to adjust the suction according to your cleaning needs, allowing you to tackle everything from fine dust to stubborn debris with ease. Plus, the extendable hose can reach up to 1 meter, making it a breeze to get into those hard-to-reach spots. Aside from that, you never have to worry about running out of battery power mid-cleaning session because it has a battery capacity warning lamp that constantly keeps you notified about your health. Oh, there's also a compatible shoulder belt that ensures that you can clean for extended periods without getting fatigued. Get ready to tackle any cutting, sanding, or scraping task with the Makita DTM52Z Multi-Tool. This tool comes with a variable speed control, soft start, and constant speed control so that you can get optimal control and comfort. It also features a built-in LED job light, which provides clear visibility in dimly lit areas. Plus, the brushless motor delivers powerful performance with a longer lifespan so you can tackle tough jobs without breaking a sweat. With the easy-to-grip small-diameter body and toolless accessory clamp, this tool lets you change the accessories quickly while on the go. And with StarLock Max accessory compatibility, you can enjoy a secure and precise fit for maximum efficiency. Let's not forget the 12-angle settings for accessories. The DTM52Z gives you greater flexibility and precision for all your demanding tasks. Makita GA005G Angle Grinder. Looking for a grinder that can handle heavy-duty cutting and grinding? Well, you can never go wrong with the Makita GA005G Angle Grinder. This tool features a powerful brushless motor capable of taking on even the most stubborn of materials with ease. And with the electric brake and anti-restart function, you won't have to worry about any unexpected surprises while operating it. The GA005G also features active feedback sensing technology, which shuts down the tool if the rotation speed suddenly slows down. Plus, with the combination of the soft start feature and on-off slide switch, you can operate this bad boy safely with just one hand. Oh, you can also adjust the toolless wheel cover to any desired position anytime. Makita DML-184 18V Light Cordless Tower. Tired of fumbling with bulky and inconvenient lighting options on your job site? You'd better go with this Makita DML-184 Tower Light. It's an easily transportable lighting solution that can be folded down in seconds, making for quick and safe storage. You can adjust the height of this tower light with its extendable latches, getting the perfect illumination for specific spaces. But that's not all. This cordless light features a pivoting head that allows you to set it at any angle, ensuring you set it to the exact position. And with adjustable lighting efficiency between 3,000, 1,700, and 900 lumens, you'll have precise control over the lighting in every corner of your job site. Makita battery-powered wheelbarrows. Now let's talk about the battery-powered wheelbarrows of Makita. These tools are made for commercial purpose use and are suitable for carrying heavy, large materials around your farm, home, or project site. You can choose between 3 different models of these wheelbarrows: the flat bucket, pipe frame carrier, and dump bucket. Of course, each of the tools is different from another one, and the difference between the three models is the type of loading platform and structural design. Plus, each wheelbarrow lets you select between 3 different speeds regarding the job demand. Choose the specific one you need for the job and carry more. Makita Cordless Inflator. Imagine yourself in the mid-road, suddenly you feel a wobble in your tire, and you need to inflate it right away. That's where the Makita Cordless Inflator comes in handy. This convenient tool might have a compact size, but it is perfect for topping off your bike tires on the go, as well as inflating a variety of other items like sports balls and even car tires. With its Makita-built motor that can deliver up to 120 psi capability, you can trust this inflator to get the job done quickly and efficiently. The best part of this tool is the auto stop function that ensures safe and accurate inflation while preventing overfilling issues. So whether you're an adventurous cyclist or just someone who wants to be prepared for any situation, Makita RT001G Cordless Trimmer. Are you annoyed with the hassle and inconvenience of cords and wires when it comes to wood trimming? Say hello to the Makita RT001G Cordless Trimmer. This cordless tool is a lifesaver for those hard-to-reach places, as it's compatible with the bases used for DRT50. It features a soft brake mechanism that prevents work materials from getting damaged, ensuring that your work is always of the highest quality. And that's not all. The RT001G comes with a slim and ergonomic profile so you can work more efficiently without sacrificing comfort. Thanks to the conveniently located variable speed control dial, you can match the speed to the application while holding the body, making it easy to tackle any task with precision and control. Makita WST07 Mitre Saw Stand. Mitre saws aren't as easy to operate as they seem, but with this Makita WST07 Mitre Saw Stand by your side, you'll be able to achieve the best results possible. This stand deploys very quickly and needs no extra hassle to be assembled. Not just that, it offers easy transportability and a quick storage facility to provide you with the best convenience. Plus, you can extend the stand up to 3380 millimeters. As a result, you can improve the work process and prevent material damage. And the wide compatibility for various miter saws will make sure you don't need to take any extra hassle when setting up. It's time to make some miter cuts. Makita DUC 254Z Top Handle Chainsaw. Let's conclude the list with Makita's DUC 254Z Top Handle Chainsaw. First and foremost, this saw produces as low noise as possible to ensure operator comfort. You no longer have to struggle with gas, emissions, oil mixing, and pull start as this tool runs on a battery. But don't go on its size. This top handle saw allows you to make around 175 cuts in 2x2 cedar. Thanks to its compact design, you can use the saw for wide tasks like pruning, trimming, and limbing. Oh, there's also an instant startup system that stands for quick cleanup. And when it comes to smashing some dense material, just turn on the torque boost mode and the action begins in mere time.
It's very common to encounter multiple cutting jobs in a single project. That's where a multi-cutter comes into the field and picks up the slack. Instead of fishing for the worthy one, you better go with this Makita CP100D cordless multi-cutter, which adds great value to your cutting tasks. It simply lets you tackle a wide variety of thin or thick materials of up to 6 millimeters, such as cardboard, carpet, fabrics, leather, and all. Despite having a handy size and minimalistic design, it provides high power to meet every professional's needs. Not just that, it also features an auto self-sharpening function that maintains sharp performance. Meanwhile, the soft grip ensures you better comfort on every job. Makita 18V LXT Brushless Power File. Getting rapid and efficient material removal in confined spaces doesn't sync much with all those big, bulky grinders. But if you have this Makita 9mm power file, you can easily reach every tight corner and handle every grinding job. This tool boasts a powerful Makita motor to deal with stubborn materials removing jobs, especially in those spaces where a regular tool can't go. Most importantly, it features a durable belt arm that pivots up to 160 degrees, allowing you to get the utmost comfort while going through a variety of different applications. Oh, you can also adjust the speed to prevent oversanding issues. However, the adjustable LED light angle and electric belt brake allow you to match the belt arm direction and rapidly stop the belt when you release the trigger. Makita ADCM 501 Coffee Maker. Wouldn't it be great if you could enjoy a home-like coffee while on a weekend trip? Wondering how you're going to get that? Well, check out Makita's all-new ADCM 501 Coffee Maker. It's a great portable coffee-making solution for your weekend adventures. This coffee maker comes with a permanent filter, meaning you no longer have to take the pain of changing paper filters back and forth. Want to know the fun part? The ADCM 501 needs only 5 minutes to brew one 5-ounce cup of coffee. So, it's time to enjoy a cup of relaxation and serve your mate too. Makita Cordless Earth Auger DG001G. Digging soil has never been so easier until earth augers were invented. But have you ever used a cordless auger that delivers similar power to the corded one? Meet Makita DG001G, a heavy-duty soil digging tool that provides high power like a 36cc engine and has a maximum drilling capacity of up to 200 millimeters. With the automatic torque drive technology, it delivers second-to-none speed rotations to work smoothly, quickly. It also features a torque limiter and reverses the switch to operate with maximum precision and safety. However, let's not forget the reaction receiver and comfy D-handle. It never bothers you with vibration issues. No wonder the durable blade is built to last long. And the runtime? Well, you don't have to take a break between a single project. Makita Locking Adjustable Wrench. No time to explain, a technician often encounters screws in confined spaces that are inaccessible with an electric wrench in hand. Keeping that in mind, Makita designed this locking adjustable wrench combining a monkey wrench and vice pliers. This uniquely constructed tool has a durable head that features grippy slits and grooved teeth to ensure a firm grip on the screws. Plus, the locking and unlocking mechanism perfectly fixes the lock function while maintaining stability and precision from job to job. Even you can use it for stipped threads too. It supports bolts with 5 slides. Hold on. The head also has the laser edge scale in SAE and metric format, meaning you'll get easy adjustment facilities. Makita DML814 18V LXT Cordless Tower Light. In a world full of thousands of lighting options, every construction professional strives to get at least one tower light in their arsenal. Here's the Makita DML814, an easily transportable tower light that folds down in seconds and allows quick storage. With the convenient extendable latches, you can easily get the desired height from where you need to get the illumination. This cordless tower light features a pivoting head that lets you set it in a multi-angled position to get the light in exact spaces. Oh, you can also adjust the lighting efficiency between 3000, 1700, and 900 lumens, having precise lighting around your job site. Makita DHW080 Brushless Power Washer. Okay, when you get home from your weekend adventure, your car looks like it needs a good wash to get its former look back. Rather than choosing a traditional way to clean up, you should pick this Makita DHW080 Power Washer and do the job flawlessly. This battery-powered washer provides up to 34 minutes of continuous runtime, allowing you to easily complete a whole car cleaning task. On top of that, this brushless power washer never compromises on the air pressure to blow away all the stubborn specks. Plus, you can adjust the speed for individual needs. Not just that, this DHW080 power washer supports multiple nozzles to tackle different areas of a car. And the amazing portability, durable shoulder belt, and tough construction make this washer a worthy way of cleaning. Makita Robotic Vacuum. Have you got some guests coming over and need to clean up your home immediately? It's high time you use this Makita DRC300 robotic cleaner. It simply captures all the dust and debris on its own and never lets you down with the non-stop airflow and HEPA filtration. Aside from that, you'll get powerful suction with the efficient motor. Meanwhile, the double-deck dust collection box keeps small or large debris apart for quick cleaning after the operation. Let's not skip the best part. This robotic vacuum features a variety of smart sensors that make your cleanings more comfortable. Tough job? Simple solution. Makita Bandsaw. When it comes to making some irregular shapes, straight lines, or curvy cuts, bandsaws are a great option to choose. So let's end up today's list with this Makita BB002G bandsaw. First, it comes in a super handy size and lightweight design that is very easy to maneuver around the job site. Second, it has a heavy-duty brushless motor that delivers the substantial cutting power to meet all the needs of professionals. Plus, it allows you to choose the exact speed for specific material thickness thanks to the variable speed control. However, you don't need to take any pain when changing the blades. Surprisingly, this bandsaw produces zero sparks while cutting through metals. Last but not least, the convenient hook allows you to store it anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.